Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install VS Code latest stable version on Debian operating systems. Open any web browser, then go to code.visualstudio.com. See, for Debian operating systems we have to download this Debian package. Click on this Debian package or click on download, then click on this Debian package. Click on this. Wait a moment, download will be started. See, download started and its size is 100 megabytes. Wait until download completes. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. CD, downloads, ls. See here we have the code. Code means VisualStudio Debian package name. Let us install it. Sudo dpkg-i. Code, give the tab to autofill, enter Debian package name, hit enter, provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. Add apt repository for VisualStudio Code, select yes and hit enter. We have successfully installed VisualStudio Code. Now verify, go to applications, then search for VS, see here VisualStudio Code. Even you can search for code, see here we have the VisualStudio Code. Now we can open VisualStudio Code by clicking on this VisualStudio Code or go to the terminal, just type code, hit enter. See, you got VisualStudio Code editor. Okay, so first ls, remove this file which is not required, so we have cleared the space. Okay, this is the welcome screen. Here we have to select the options. Okay, let me close this one. See here we have the extensions. If you want to create files, you have to create here. Okay, if you want to install extensions, you have to search here. See, we have different extensions, and see here we have the options like terminal, run, go, etc. options are there. We have successfully installed VisualStudio Code, that is VS Code on Debian operating systems. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.